I want to use body lotions, but I don't know which one to use. I don't know which one is going to work on my skin. Make sure you watch this video to the end. For months now, I've been like on body lotions for maybe 4 or 5 months now. I've been on body lotion, which is very off-brand for me. If you know me or if you've been watching my videos, you would know I'm not the body lotion type of girl, but I decided to switch back to body lotions, and I can give you 5 body lotions right now that will make your skin pop. 5 body lotions that would actually give you your goal. I'm going to tell you what ingredients are in these lotions, what they do for you to select which one you want. I will tell you the one I'm currently using and why I am using it. So make sure you watch this video to the end, like it, subscribe to me if you haven't already, and share this. By the way, my name is Choma and I make a lot of videos like this, so consider joining us for real. Now, the first body lotion I'm going to be talking about today, we're just diving right into it. I'm not even wasting time. You already know what body lotions are going to do for you. What do you want in a body lotion? Are you looking for a body lotion that is just plain hydrating? Are you looking for a body lotion that is just going to lighten your skin? Are you looking for a body lotion that will be shiny? What is your goal in this body lotion? But the ones I'm going to be listing for you today mostly do this within these 2 things, hydrating, and they also brighten your skin in a certain type of way. Healthy brightening, not like whitening. Healthy brightening. They are 2 different things, so know that. And the first body lotion I'm going to be talking to you about today is the lactin body lotion. You guys already know this. A lot of people know. This is empty, by the way. I have this. It's empty. This contains lactic acid, 12% lactic acid. It's very moisturizing. It brightens your skin, but there's a catch to this body lotion. This body lotion is not something that you will use every day. And not just every day, it's not something that you will use in the mornings, especially if your work requires you going outside, or you're a student and you should be outside most times. Maybe this body lotion is not for you, or you just need to be careful. Now, the first thing you need to know about this body lotion is that use it at night. That's like the best thing. Use it at night. I would recommend 3 times a week maximum, and that's okay. You don't need more than that. 3 times a week for this body lotion is okay. You don't need to do extra things. 3 times a week is okay. It contains lactic acid. It's going to exfoliate your skin. As it's exfoliating your skin, it's going to give you a brighter skin, a softer skin. But you need to be careful with using it, because if you use this body lotion in the morning, or you use this body lotion and you're always on skin exposing, you're always wearing outfits that expose your skin, you're going to get burnt. That's just the truth. This lotion and sunlight, they're like this, they're not friends. Once you're exposed to too much sunlight with this body lotion, you're going to get burnt. That's why my mom was like, should she get this body lotion? I was like, no, it's good and all that, but please don't get this, because she works outside, and I cannot be telling you to wear body sunscreen every time. So unless you're going to be using body sunscreen, this lotion is the type of lotion that you have to be careful with, and you use it 3 times a week, just like I said, 3 times a week, or even if you're using it every night. In the mornings, your sun exposure should be reduced. If you're going out, wear long things, cover your body. If not, you're going to get burnt, and just don't overdo it, because it contains 12% lactic acid. But overall, if you use it right, it's going to brighten your skin. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. If you see somebody that is using this body lotion and they're doing everything right, amazing results. Amazing results. And the second body lotion we're going to be talking about today is this Kojic White body lotion. This contains kojic acid and papaya, which are 2 brightening ingredients, healthy brightening, but they're brightening. This is hydroquinone free. This is going to blend out your skin. Another thing is, this lotion actually blends out your skin. With this body lotion, you will not get dark knuckles, not even 1 dark knuckles if you're using this body lotion. Now, this also does that for you. This blends out your skin, it brightens your skin. It's not that much. It's just 250 ml, and for the price, I don't know how many students that can actually afford this. It's around this size, and it's very hydrating, but it will hydrate you at the moment, but in 3 hours, you might not feel very moisturized anymore. But this one, you're going to feel very moisturized, but the smell, it has this metallic smell that a lot of people cannot stand. I could not stand it, but I got used to it. But that's just one thing. This is very hydrating. It's going to brighten your skin, not too much, but you will glow, You are going to glow. Your skin will glow, your skin will look better. Everything will just harmonize. And it contains kojic acid, which it's a very good ingredient if you're looking to brighten your skin. Kojic acid is that girl for you. Papaya also works for that. So This works, but I'll give this a 7 over 10. Like, I'm not going to repurchase this. I just think I have other body lotions that could do better job than this one. And the third body lotion I'm going to be talking about is the Garnier Vitamin C body lotion. This is the body lotion that my sister uses. This body lotion will brighten your skin. It contains lemon essence. It contains vitamin C, and you guys know how much I love vitamin C. Once there's vitamin C, sign me up, I'm there. I'm going to be there. So it glows your skin, brightens your skin, but also this lotion actually does not like too much sun exposure. You can expose your skin to the sun, but not too much. And you have to continuously keep using it. It exfoliates your skin, it brightens your skin, it's very hydrating, it's very moisturizing. It has skin repair ingredients in it. It's also very, very good for dry skin because of how moisturizing and hydrating the lotion can be. And the fourth lotion I'm going to be talking about is the one that I'm currently using right now. Like, I'm using it as we're talking. This is the one. This is the Vaseline body lotion. This is the Vaseline Flawless Bright body lotion. This body lotion, I love this body lotion because it's really brightening. This type of lotion that if you have like dark spots in your leg or like those dark spots you have in your body that they've refused to go, this body lotion will help you to clean. Good. This body lotion would help you to clear that. It's very brightening. It gives you, the way they say it's going to give you a healthy, bright skin, that's going to be that for you. It's also really moisturizing. The thing I don't like about this body lotion is I think it gives dark knuckles, which is weird. I don't know, but I just feel it gives, like, there's some other body lotions that I use and I don't ever have to put extra effort to like get my knuckles to be the same color. But with this, I'm noticing that my skin is like glowing per se, but I think I'm losing a bit of knuckles with this, which is something I don't like. But apart from that, look, it's like, it really, like, it's like a serum. Once you just apply it in your skin, it just really melts away. You're not going to sweat too much with this body lotion. It's not going to be one of those body lotions that will have you sweating too much. Look how glowy and brightening it is. I use it morning, I use it night. It smells good. It smells really good, and the smell lasts all day, like all day. Pair this with your perfume and you're going to love it. Like the smell lasts all day. Honestly, it does. That's also something that I like about it. Like, there are three variants to this. There's the blue one and there's the coral peach one, but this golden one is the one that I use and it has worked for me. It contains retinol. It also contains glutathione. You know, retinol is anti-aging, it's brightening, it exfoliates your skin, and this contains all. And this is not sticky. Like, it easily just absorbs into your skin. Like, it's amazing. I like it. Like, I'll give it maybe 8.5 over 10 because I think it's giving me knuckles, but I don't know, maybe it's not it. Now, the last body lotion I'm going to be talking about is the one everybody knows, everybody has been raving about, the Medic 5.5 body lotion. That body lotion, it's worth the hype. Like, I think it's worth the hype. For me, I don't know for any other person. If you're dark skinned, you can use it. If you're light skinned, you can use it because it works for all skin types. It's brightening. Let me say it's brightening, it blends your skin. It's the body lotion my mom has been on for a while now and her skin is really loving it. It's going to blend your skin together. There's no dark knuckles, no dark knees with this. Clears your dark spots. It contains turmeric and it also contains vitamin C, two ingredients that are very good for brightening and healthy bright skin. It's also very moisturizing, very long lasting, and it easily absorbs into your skin. It is also anti-aging. Overall, I think Medic 5.5 is a very good body lotion. If you're looking for a body lotion to get, and maybe you've gotten to a particular age, maybe you're in your 40s, maybe 27, the body lotion is like a very good body lotion. It's going to brighten your skin, it's anti-aging, blends out your skin color all around, which I think is something that you would want. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, do it to